Good morning. Today is Tuesday,
14th?
the 14th of January, 2020, Math 8. What are we talking about? We're talking about using equations and something like that. What's the lesson here? It is using equations to model life. It is the dog. It's the dog. Now, what is the learning goal, Andrew?
I can use statistics to understand the world around.
Excellent. Ganter, give me the Y.
Information is displayed in graphs and tables all over the place on the internet, on TV, in books, on the internet. I want to understand this information and be informed.
Got it. Read me the top sentence up here. Brooke.
At this point, you know how to read this ad.
Yes, read me this one, Talitha.
You know how to draw the rest of it.
Yes, you do. Griffin, this one.
You know how to create the equations of the rest.
Yes, you do. Bot, this one.
Now that we have those equations, let's use them.
Yes, we're going to use the equations that we've created. Today we're going to look at real life equations and how to use them to make predictions. So here's what's going on. I go out and I collect my data. My data turns into a scatter plot. I use my scatter plot to draw a best fit line. I take my best fit line and I create the equation for it. Then I have the equation and I can use the equation to make predictions about life. So today we're going to focus on just how do I use an equation. So here's an equation that we are about to use. In your notes, we're going to use this equation. In your notes, give me that equation. We're going to use that equation. Reading the words over there, I need to know what does S represent and what does H represent. I should have more hands than that. I should have so many hands. Yes, Samuel. What is H or what is S?
The S would be study and or the score of the test.
The score. Okay, cool. And then
would be our study.
well, let's see if this can help us make some predictions. Let's go study. Narena is going to study for 5 hours. Narena? And everybody else, get out a calculator. Hello, Salita. Do you have a calculator? Do you have, everyone, put your calculator in the air and wave it around like you just don't care. You really don't care, man. Like, I'm going to just throw that thing on my desk. Good. Punching the buttons on your calculator. 6.66 times 5 plus 42. Get an answer. Put your hands down. Put your hands down.
Oh, wait.
Put your hands down.
No, sorry.
You have a calculator.
Okay.
Let's push the buttons. 6.66 times 5 for 5 hours plus 42. Narena, what is your score on the test?
75.
75 point what?
3.
Narena, are you happy with that score? McMurtry, let's study more. How much do you want to study?
12 hours.
I don't want to do 12 hours yet. I'm not there. You're How much are you going to study?
That's 6 hours.
6?
An hour more.
Okay, let's do 6 hours. McMurtry, tell me your score when you have it.
81.96.
I'm going to go with 81.2. Do you agree with that, Bot? No? Do you agree with it? Oh, everyone's doing it, not just McMurtry, sorry. Gancher, do you agree with him?
No.
Oh, people aren't agreeing with you, McMurtry. I'm erasing that. We're doing 6 hours. Andrew, 6 hours.
6 hours. So it's 81.9.
81.9?
Yeah.
Did I just do, you didn't like my rounding. So it should be 80,
89.
so it should be 89.0 then. Okay, is that correct?
No.
It should be 82.0.
All right, let's try this again. What's the number? 81.96. And if I'm rounding it to the nearest tenth, this would take that up to a 0, which would take it to 82. 82?
Yeah.
82.
When you do this equation, you just plug it in.
So I'm taking the 6 and I'm putting it right there for the h. So I'm doing 6.66 times h plus 42. I'm using the equation I generated. All right. Who's happy with that score so far? No. Bot is like, nope. I do not want the 82. How much are you going to study?
8 hours.
Let's go to 8 hours. Everyone do, please do 8 hours. Everyone do 8 hours. Not just Dakota, not just Eva, not just Hetnak, not just Braden.
Oh, I got
8 hours. What's the score at 8 hours?
95.28 rounded to 95.
95.28, which would round to 95.3.
Oh, what do you mean?
Bot, is that correct? Are you happy with that score? Bot's happy enough with it. I think it's a pretty good score. So how long are you going to have to study to get an A on this thing?
8 hours.
8 hours.
So what hours?
That's a bit much.
Not really.
You're
Not
gonna
really. Depends on what
for a
test.
middle school test, but for a high school test,
If
For
this
high
is
school
like a
finals?
college test, that would
Yeah.
be not enough.
all right. Please get out a whiteboard and a marker.
You study that much? Study that much?
Times I've studied like that.
My marker guy.
Which one do I do? No, actually.
There would be a huge shift in age groups that watch the videos and start playing like that.
You could create some serious things. Oh, it's my import. It's just, I'm in my house. It's just like,
Water? Not water. We're only water in this house.
Okay. I don't have any today. This is Gianna's that I need to. Sorry. I lost mine in first grade.
Slide 7. Listen to my instructions. My first question, actually it's not a question. First, read it. Just read it. Mark, read slide 7, please. To yourself. Read it. Gianna, what does the S represent?
How many seconds behind the watches?
Seconds. Eva, what does D represent? The number of days. What number am I about to plug into this equation? Nate. Am I plugging that in for days or for seconds?
Days.
Nate.
Days.
Cool. Do it. Plug in 2 days and tell me what comes out. Include a unit. Writing it on a whiteboard.
Here, I have one.
There are markers back here. What do we have? Give me a unit on that. I don't even know what that means. Good, good. Got it. Good, good. Good, good. What's your unit on that? There you go. I don't remember where I slept. Or maybe
Yeah,
not.
that is it.
So we're plugging in 2 days. Put 2 right there and then tell me what it equals. Good, 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 good. Good. I'm gonna good. 19 seconds. Go on to number 8. Read the question to yourself. Dakota, what does the D stand for?
The total distance you walk.
Distance. Brooke, what does the T stand for? The number of trips. Let's go with Maddie. What number have we been given?
19,
19 what?
19 kilometers.
Is that going to go in for the distance or the trips?
The distance.
The distance. You're going to put 19 in for the D. And tell me what comes out. 19 in for the D. And include the unit on it. No. Yes, yes, no. You're putting in a 19 for the D. Yes, yes. No, you're putting a 19 in for the D. Yes. Give me I don't like your unit. And you're getting trips. Your unit's off. Good. Your unit's wrong. And so how many trips are you making? Good. Good. Your unit's off. Good. 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 Your unit's off. Good. Nope. It's not a total distance. Your unit's good. What is your unit? Then tell me the trips. Good. It is 5 trips. If I go 19 kilometers, that would have taken 5 trips. Questions on that? Let's do another one. Let's look at our variables. Read the question. Paulette, what does C represent?
The number of days.
the number of cakes. Sophia, what does D represent? Why do you think they use D? D for dollars. Griffin, what number do I have?
You have 13.
13 what?
$13.
So where's that going to go? D or C? Okay, plug it in and tell me what you get. I can't even look yet. I gotta start over here. Otherwise I get confused. I gotta start to like go across the room. I can't even look at you. You're so scared. So what you're telling me is if I put a 4 right there, -4 times 4 plus 17 equals 13. Which it does. So you need to find a number. Put it here and make this equal 13. What do you feel that's good? That's good. Good, 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 good. Good, good, good. Dakota, do you have a board for me? Good. What we're doing is we're putting in $13. And what we're looking for is this number. Pick a number, Dakota. -4 times 6 is -24. -24 plus 17 isn't 13. So that's not going to work. You can either guess and check this, but that's, pick another number. -4 times 1 is -4. Plus 17 is 13. I'm trying to find the number that makes the equation true. How can somebody walk me through this equation using the rainbow poster? Petnack, let me write it again.
I would like to divide both sides by negative.
So that's incorrect. Griffin?
Subtract. No. Multiply both sides by 1.
That's not going to do anything to change it. Good news is we're going to be going back into equations after this 2 units out, because you still have to be able to do equations. Michael?
I would like to add 4 to both sides.
No. This is good. But
I would like to subtract both sides by 17.
I understand what you're saying. Your grammar's incorrect.
I would like to subtract 17 from both
Next step of this? Andrew? No. You could do this. Everything you're telling me I can do, it's not going to get me anywhere. Good. Braden?
I would like to divide both sides by -4.
Divide both sides by -4. That gives me 1. C equals 1. 1 cake. Yes, Michael?
Can you also do the way I said?
I don't think, yeah, I'll try it. I can do it, but I don't think it's the way that you really want to do it. Tell me what you want to do.
So add both sides by 4. Add
4
4 to both sides.
Okay. I don't.
Oh.
You don't do the variables. You leave
I just
both.
did what you told me to do.
I was
but
thinking it was adding the 4 to the -4 side.
So I can't. 4, a seed can't play with an air bubble.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to the next one, which is number 10.
Yeah, I thought that too.
It's all right. Before, oh, you guys are just ready to do it. Okay, just do it then. Give me an answer. Let's go.
Okay.
I'm not even going to read it. I'm not even going to tell you what to do. I'm just going to stand here and look good. Yeah, McMurtry, that's true. Stand here and look good. That is correct, Mr. Ganter. That is correct. Not even look over. Okay, look at you. Okay. Instead of just a letter, give me a full unit. Good, Ava. Ava, good, 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 good. Pennack, good, good, good. You're good. Come back over here. That's what you're saying. If I work for 9 hours, so 9 times 9 is 81 plus 2. If I work for 9 hours, I'm going to earn $19. Good, 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 good. Good, good, good. So to earn $19, I have to work 192 hours. That seems like a lot of work for $9 or $19. So what you guys are doing, you plugged it in here, but this is dollars. It's going to go right there for dollars. So 19 equals 9H plus 1. If I work for 1 hour, I make $10. If I work for 2 hours, I make $19. So 2 hours, $19. Let's skip 11 and go right to 12. And I'm not going to read it. Right to 12. Right to 12, and I've got it. Did you finish the edge elastic?
Yes.
Start. Did you finish the edge elastic?
Yep.
Start. Did you finish the edge Oh, that's seven. Did you finish the edge elastic? Start. Did you finish the edge elastic? Edge elastic. Finish the edge elastic. Start. Did you finish the edge elastic? Start. Did you? What's the unit on that? Did you finish the edge elastic? Yes. Start. Finish the edge elastic. Start. Done.